Quarta-feira, ia suairum Timor Plaza Dili, iniciativa Triângulo Coral, no Recife Coral Pesca no Segurança Alimentar, coopera a Universidade Nacional Timor-Leste, realiza konferensia imprensa no encontro funcionário superior Sira Badalasa no recensia, no Ministerial Badalasia com a asina MOU no konserva rekursus naturais e Timor-Leste.
As the regional secretariat, our role is to facilitate collaboration among the member countries, ensuring that our conservation efforts are aligned, effective and sustainable to national and relevant regional and global priorities, frameworks and strategies. These MOUs reinforce our commitment to supporting the member countries in their efforts to protecting the individual coral reef areas and collectively the whole region, through enhancing their capacity to address challenges such as climate change, overfishing, and habitat destruction. These agreements are designed to benefit the countries of the Coral Triangle region directly, with an emphasis on joint action that maximizes the shared benefits of all involved. By working together, we ensure that the resources and knowledge of each member nation are effectively shared and harnessed to support the sustainable use and prevention of this extraordinary marine environment. In signing these MOUs today, we are reaffirming our dedication to the conservation of the Coral Triangle and its incredible natural resources, to the people who depend on it, and to the future generations who will inherit their rich natural heritage.
The country focuses on the strengthening regional collaboration among member nations to address critical issues like biodiversity loss, unsustainable fishing practice, and food security challenges. Timor-Leste efforts highlighted the interconnected nature for the marine ecosystem and the need for joint action to protect them. By prioritizing the health of each water, Timor-Leste not only preserves in diversity marine life, but also ensures the sustainability of the local livelihood and uphold cultural practices deeply to the ocean.
For Timor-Leste, this agreement directly contributes to national efforts to conserve and manage our marine resource, which is essential not only for biodiversity, but also for the well-being of coastal communities that depend on the ecosystems. We are confident that this Memorandum of Understanding will open new pathways toward a more sustainability future, build and acknowledge cooperation and commitment of preserving the natural resource that sustain life and progress in Timor-Leste and beyond.
And we would like to thank to the leadership of the Timor-Leste providing very significant. And this morning we get a brief update from Chair Pak Celestino about the highlight of some activities. We have Coral Triangle Trust Fund. This is already launched. This is one of the remarkable program. So Indonesia will continue the leadership, and we will, of course, finalize. We will review, and also we will implementing the RPOA 2.0. This is regional plan of action of the CTI-CFF, and we also continue to find and engage with the other stakeholders and partners. This we just witnessed with the WWF and also CTC. Of course, we will like to invite many partners to join with us.
Enquanto a atividade NEMOS participa husi parceria estratégico Sira husi nação nem Makanesan, Indonésia, Malásia, Papua Nova Guiné, Filipina, Ilha Salomão, no Timor-Leste.